Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Scholar. In this video, I'm going to review the JBL Flip4 speaker. It's a Bluetooth speaker, and the unboxing of this particular speaker I've already covered in my previous video. So please go down and check my channel for the unboxing video of JBL Flip4. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you the features of JBL Flip4 that actually fascinated me and I really loved. And also I'm going to throw upon some light on the pros and cons of this device. So welcome to the JBL Flip4 review. So here I have my JBL Flip4. Regarding the physical characteristics, it's very small and it is very handy. It's very much portable and you can take it out anywhere you want. It's as good as carrying a water bottle along with you. So regarding the physical characteristics, I really loved it, and it has a woofer on either side of it, so it gives a pleasing sound. So I'm going to take you through the music playing session, so stay tuned for that. And here we have few buttons here, and this button here on the right, it is to turn on the Bluetooth or turn off the Bluetooth. Rather, I would have to show it this way. So you have the volume rockers and you also have the play and pause controls. So regarding the control buttons, that's it. And here we have the power button and also the JBL Connect button. So nothing much, but it's really compact and it's all you need to actually have a pleasing experience of playing audio over Bluetooth. So this is how you actually turn on. You have the sound that comes in, and you can see the charging level indicator here. Okay, and if you want to explore the JBL Connect option, you would have to go and connect this. Okay, so for now we are not going to really concentrate much on the JBL Connect option, so we'll go ahead with the normal Bluetooth functionality. So if you have seen the white indicating light there, it means that it is not connected over Bluetooth. So I'm going to use my phone and I'll try to connect to this particular device using Bluetooth. My phone is trying to look out for JBL Flip4. Now, you may not find the device right away. So what you would have to do is just go here and click this Bluetooth button that you have here. And you can see the blue LED glowing. Now, hit a search on your phone. Now you see JBL Flip4 being listed here. Click on that. It will go ahead and do the pairing followed by connection. Now it is connected. Now if I have to go and play some songs, I can control the volume. Now I've reduced the volume. I'll go back ahead and increase it. Now I've paused it. So this particular speaker supports AVR-CP profile, but in AVR-CP it basically supports only play and pause. It does not support something like play next track or play previous track. So it does support AVR-CP, but again basic functionality. Now coming to some other features that we have, one of them is the JBL Connect. Now the importance of this feature is you can use to sync your different JBL Flip4 device or any other JBL devices that supports the JBL Connect feature. Also, you can use two such JBL Flip4 devices and you can play the left channel on one of them and the right channel of the audio on the other one. So you have doubled the effect literally. So along with that, you can also use this to give voice commands to your phone. So I have the JBL Connect app on my phone. So I've already connected to my device. So it lists it as JBL Flip4. Go here and it says you can either use this play pause button here that I've already shown to do actually play pause functionality, or you can use that to give voice commands or as a voice assistant. So I've chosen it to be a voice assistant. Now all I have to do is give a voice command. It's ready to receive a command. Play We Don't Talk Anymore.
Anymore by Charlie Puth. Playing on SAADM.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Oh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. I just heard you from.
So all I did here was take the JBL speaker near my mouth, and I actually gave the command to say play the particular audio, and it actually commanded my phone, and it went through my phone's Google Assistant, and Google Assistant played a song for me, whereas it in turn played it on the speaker. So it's a very good feature. I really liked it. So guys, all in all, it's a very good speaker. The audio quality of the speaker is simply amazing, really portable. Bluetooth wise, there are no issues with the Bluetooth connection dropouts. So if you like this video, please hit the like, share this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.